This is room 453 ng Go Hotels Ortigas. So, quick room tour. Bed, TV, lamp, cups, lapabumbong pouchy. Dito yung shower. Please note na kapag dito kayo mag-check-in, ito lang yung soap nila. Wala silang regular bath soap na katulad sa ibang hotels. So this is liquid. So baka hindi nyo gusto yon, might want to buy yourself bar of soap. Over here is toilet. Ayan. Meron naman silang toothpaste and toothbrush. Although the last time na nandito ako was wala sila niyan. Pero ngayon meron na. But if you still want to buy your own, pwede rin naman. So overall, okay din naman siya for the price. It's 2 nights, nasa 3,000 something. So okay lang siya. This is my second time sa ganito na room, which is king size bed. Overall, it's okay lang naman. Sakto lang.